Concerned Victorian parents have described their shock after discovering an alleged child sex offender may have been working with children on more days than initially thought. 1,200 children are now being tested for sexually transmitted diseases after police arrested Joshua Dale Brown for allegedly abusing 8 children at a centre in Melbourne's western suburbs. Anxious parents have found pictures of the 26-year-old at 2 childcare centres on days he was not listed as being there. And a warning, this story from Danny Tran contains disturbing details.
As children lay at his feet, Joshua Dale Brown watches on. These pictures, sent in a daily update to parents, just a week before the childcare operator was charged with scores of sexual offences, now a source of dread.
I just started crying. Just to know that I had left my son there for the day, to have a good day.
The 26-year-old is facing more than 70 charges against 8 children at the Creative Garden Early Learning Centre in Point Cook. His working history at 20 centres prompted authorities to call for 1,200 children to be tested for sexually transmitted diseases. Parents urged to check an official list. But the information isn't up to date. Devastated parents today sending the ABC pictures of Brown at Aussie Kindies Early Learning Keilor on a day not included in the list. The centre's operator, Affinity Education, says it's now reviewing its records in detail.
Well, I just don't understand how it took so long for them to realise how many days he had been working.
It's absolutely clear that the system that's meant to protect our children in this environment isn't working properly. Otherwise, this would not have happened.
Among the accusations against Joshua Dale Brown is the charge of recklessly contaminating food with bodily fluids. It's prompted a huge public health response, but the department isn't saying how many children have already been tested. Parents have told the ABC they're worried that outdated information means they just don't know if their child needs to be tested. The other issue facing 1,200 families is how to broach the issue with children who can't fully communicate yet.
Well, I've asked them, have you seen this man? Did this man look after you? Did this man touch you?
Talk to children about this in an honest, simple, age-appropriate way. So something like, there was something bad that happened at childcare, we need to go to take you to get a test.
The company behind some of the centres, including Creative Garden, G8, has been battered on the stock exchange. The share price of Australia's biggest operator, with more than 400 centres, falling 3 days in a row, representing a total loss of more than 15%. A public price with a very personal cost. Danny Tran, ABC News, Melbourne.